Begin in seated position. Your back, neck and the spine is straight. Mouth and eye gently closed. Bringing yourself into the present moment. A deep breath in, complete breathe out, another deep breath in, complete breathe out, one more deep breath in, and complete breathe out. Slowly open your eyes and stand on your mat, on the top of the mat. Your feet about hip wide open. Tuck your tailbone. Bandha. Shoulder rolled up, back and down. Hands by the side. Take a long deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now on the next inhalation, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend forward, bring your hands onto your waist and keep bending forward, keeping your back straight, chest towards the ground, hips pressing slightly back, hips and ankle in 90 degrees. Bend your knees, bring your hands on the ground, lift the hips up, and bring the right leg back, knee down, toes down. Bring your hands onto your knees, push gently, chest out, and bring your hands up, palm together, balance. Then hands back onto the knee, press your knee slowly to make your chest out. And bring your hands on the back, interlock your fingers and bring your front foot slightly more forward. You're going to press your hips forward and hands backwards. Breathe. To the center, bring your hands back onto the knee, bring the foot back, hand on the ground, arms on the ground, and both legs back, body in a straight line. And then starting with the right hand, elbow on the ground, back to plank. Elbows on the ground, back to plank. 3 times with the right side, right hand, and then 3 times the left. Elbow on the ground, back to the plank. Now repeating the same with the left side. So with the left hand, elbows on the ground, back to the plank. Elbows on the ground, back to the plank. Elbows on the ground, back to the plank. And go into downward dog. Bringing your right foot forward, knee down, toes down, bring the hands on the knee. Press your hand onto your knees to bring your chest out. You can can check how your knee is feeling here. If you feel pain in your knee, you might want to have a blanket or something soft under your knee so that you don't feel pain, or you can keep the toe this way so that it will help your knee to be hurting. Then bring your hands up, palm together. Hands back on the knee, pressing, chest out. Now bring your foot forward, hands back. Push your hip down, knee slightly forward, and hands back. Hands back to the knee. Bring the foot back and hands on the ground. Both legs back, body in a straight line. One more time. Right hand, elbow on the ground. Back to the plank. Elbows on the ground. Back to the plank. Elbows on the ground. Back to the plank. Now left side, elbows on the ground. Back to the plank. Elbows on the ground. Back to the plank. Elbows. Plank. Downward dog. And then left foot forward. Both legs forward, chest to the knee. Inhale, bring arms up. And exhale, release. Roll your shoulders, shake your legs. Now, I will move to the side so you can see. Balancing onto the right side, bringing your left leg up, bending the knee, and bring your hands on your waist. Once you balance, bring your arms up. Exhale down, chain the leg, balancing on the left side, right leg up. Bring your arms up, palms together. Hands back onto your waist, down. Now balancing on the right, left leg up. Now see if you can turn to the left slowly. And then bring your arm out. And then if you can bring your right hand onto the left knee. And then that will help you twisting more. Good, come back. And chain the leg. Right leg up. Twist to the right. And bring your right hand open. And then left hand onto the right knee. And that will help you twisting more. Back to the center, hands back onto the waist, and bring your leg down. And repeat one more time on the left side, balancing on the right, left leg come up, bringing your hands on your waist, and then twisting to the left, opening your left hand, and then right hand onto the left knee, and twisting furthermore. Back to the center, bring your hands back onto your waist and change your leg. Right leg up. Twisting slowly to the right. Opening the right hand. Left hand on the right knee and twisting furthermore. Back to the center. Bring your hands on your waist. Bring your leg down. Shake your leg. Natarajasana. So bring your right foot forward. Come onto the right foot. Bend your left knee and grab your left ankle with your left hand. Inhale, bringing your right hand up, right arm up, and exhale, bend forward. Back. Changing your leg. Grabbing your right ankle, left arm up, inhale. With exhale, bend forward. Exhale down. Shake legs. And sit down on the sitting bones. Grab a rope if you have. It will be helpful for if your hamstrings are tight. Then you take your rope around the feet, grab the rope, bring your chest up, and then stretching the legs out. Make sure maintaining the upright position of your spine and back, stretching, and if your hamstrings are really tight, you should be already feeling the stretch right now. And now if you want to give furthermore stretch to your hamstrings, back of the legs, and you inhale, with exhale, pulling your elbows out and bending slightly forward, keeping your upper body, spine and back straight. Slightly more forward if you can. And now you can rest your elbow down. Chest is coming up, neck is relaxed and looking at your toes. So neck and spine in one line. Neck doesn't have to be up or down, it remains straight. Good. Come back. Release the rope. Now bend the knee. Bring the hands by the side of your buttocks, hips. Inhale, lifting your hips all the way up so that you become like tabletop. And head back. Exhale down. And go into plank. Holding the plank for about 30 seconds. Now bending the knees, coming onto your toes and pushing your hips higher. Back to the plank. And bending the knee, pushing your hips back, stretching your back. Back to the plank. And one more time, bending the knee, pushing your hip back, stretching your back. Good. Come back to the plank. Bring the knees on the ground and go into child pose, Balasana. Forehead on the ground, stretching your back, relaxing your body and mind. And sit up and roll on the back for a short relaxation. Feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward to ceiling, and letting the breath come down to normal. Gently turn to the right once you're done. Push with your hands, sit up. Hands on the knees. Become aware how the practice helped you becoming more calm, strong, and relaxed. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Thank you guys for joining me for the practice. Stay connected. Namaste.